Hi friends, Christmas is just around the corner, and I decided to share with you a new course, Christmas course, where I recopilated several videos from this year, from last year, into a small but interesting and intense course of watercolors. You will learn how to draw and paint different Christmas scenes, and I'm sure that you will enjoy some free time during these Christmas holidays. We will start this course with three beautiful Christmas postcards that will be easier, and in this way you will initiate with the drawing, with the watercolors, and later on I will share with you more complex scenes, more complex works to do that you will enjoy even further into a more advanced level. For the beginning, I decided to share with you a beautiful postcard on how to draw and paint a beautiful gnome in watercolors. Here I share how to draw it, how to paint it, how to create shadows, and how to create details to create a postcard, really one a beautiful one and unforgetting one. After it, I propose to you to do another easy video, another easy work. It is about this gingerbread man, where I will share with you how to draw it as well, and how to paint, and how to create these interesting feelings of shadows, of details that I have painted here on this gingerbread man. After this, I decided that to make another postcard, but with a different scene, with a winter scene. Why I decided to go from a detailed work, from some details to a scene, mainly because that if you want, for example, to share with your beloved ones some beautiful postcards with winter scenes, that you can do it as well. In this work, we won't show anything. I will share straight how to work with the watercolors and how from white paper to create a beautiful scene in watercolors without using any sketch. In this way, I will share with you how to create these beautiful transitions in wet on wet techniques from warmer colors to cooler colors, and how to represent the cooler details of the winter. And once we will have these three works done, I would say that these ones are the easiest ones. We will proceed to a more interesting scenes. I would say that it is not a more difficult, but it will take just a little bit more. It is about this Christmas wreath, where I will share with you the drawing details, how to draw, how to create this circled form, and later on I will share with watercolors how to create this vibe of greens, that at the same time that it looks a lot of greenery, but you don't have to use a lot of details to recreate it. In this work we will work with layering technique. It means that we will work with different layers till we will get this wreath done. As well, I will share with you here how to create a combination of different colors, like warm colors, cooler colors, and as well, for example, the red and the green colors that are really different in tones and are calling attention. The next work is about the this Christmas lamp that I decided to share with you. The lamp itself, it is more difficult to draw than to paint, because it will take you slightly to create this sketch. It will take you some time, and once the sketch will be done, I will share with you how to work with the wet and dry technique, and how to create with layering technique these shadows that we have on the lantern. Instead, here the greenery that you have here, I will share with you how to create it in wet and wet technique. And as well, this bow itself will be as well done in wet and wet technique. A very complex and interesting work to do. It will take you a little bit longer, but I'm sure that after painting the first four works, this work won't be as difficult as it looks. Another work that I decided to go with is this beautiful Christmas scene that I would say that it is more an Instagram scene where you have your warm cacao with the sweets and your Christmas tree. The idea was here that I wanted to recreate the cacao cup, and that it would be the protagonist of this work, and the Christmas tree itself to stay blurred in the background. The blurred effect was done with the wet on wet technique, and I'm really proud with the result. And I really hope that you will enjoy it too. And the cup of cacao, it was done with wet and dry technique and with the layering technique to bring it more to the front, into the front to the viewer. The same as the previous work, it takes a little bit longer to create this work, but for sure you will enjoy it as well. And last but not least is this marvelous toy, Christmas toy. The same effect that on the previous work, I wanted to recreate the background into the blurred effect and the toy itself to create it as a protagonist of the work. I think that it looks really cool when you have this blurred effect for the background and you have just one protagonism, and instead the paper itself is really worked. If you would like to purchase this course, I will leave the link down below to my Patreon. There you will find the link to have this. Once you will buy this course, you will receive a PDF file with all the links included. The links are guided tutorials from zero to the finished work on how you can create these marvelous works. In each of the tutorial, I explain all the materials you should use during this work. So thank you for watching, and till the next time, bye!